So hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and today we are going to continue from where we left off in the last video. If you haven't watched those videos, you can find the links in the description. And so this is what we created in our last video. Not so good looking, I agree, but first, before making it look good, we will just add some more markup. Okay, so some body, so we will add a section in our markup. So a section is just a section of your web page, so it's not nothing special, it's just a section in your web page. So that's how we have to use it. So I'll give it an ID of main and I will give it a class of container. Inside our main section we will have two more sections. So first one I would call it web dev. Okay, and you can press Ctrl Shift D and it will just create the copy of the same markup or the same line. And now we can change it to app dev. So this section would be called app dev. And now inside of these sections, you can actually, if you want two cursors, you can press Ctrl and click wherever you want, like here, and wherever you want. So you will get as many cursors as you want. And if you want to exit this, you can just click anywhere without pressing Ctrl. Okay, so press Ctrl and we have two cursors. And now let's type lorem. So we have auto completion, hit enter. And now in the web dev section we will just change this to web dev. We will change lorem to web dev, and here we will change this to app dev. So let's change our web app to web dev, and here we will use hashtag web dev, so that we can go to web dev section, and here hashtag app dev, so we can just go to app dev section. So these are just a couple of sections. Okay, so whenever we click on these links, we will just go to that particular section. And here at the bottom we will have a div with the ID of go to top. So this div will contain a href anchor tag, and it will just go to hashtag top, and this is called a fragment identifier, hashtag top. So you can use this to go to certain parts of your markup, as you will see. And we will, because it's going up, so we will use a symbol. If you want all these emojis and symbols, you can press Windows key and period key, and then here I guess we have, yes, so here we have up arrow, so we can hit enter. And now as you can see here, we have this web page or index.html without any styling. So now this is all for the styling, and I will just like to add one last section because we have header. Let's just add a footer as well, because this is a common use case. We usually have a header, a main body, and a lot of markup inside that, and a footer. So now let's just have a footer, because I want to show you that a basic structure of a HTML document. But now let's have a look at how we can style it. So there are three methods. The first method is you can apply styles on the particular element. So inside of a tag, so you can write style is equals to, and then inside of those colons you can just set any style you want. For example, let's just say a border. So border, let's just give 1 pixel solid and black. So this 1 pixel solid black just means, let's have a look at a markup. It is a solid border with straight lines, and we are giving it a color of black. You can give it anything you want. As a matter of fact, I changed it, so it's now slightly red. You can give it blue or any valid color. We have another method to style our elements, that is inside of our head we can have a style tag. Style tag here will store all the styles for our document. For example, now let's just give our container class as you so this dot container will select all the tags with the class container on them. So for example, here we have only one tag, that is a main section with a class container. So let's give it some margin. Okay, so margin is auto and 15 rem. So you can see some changes. I will explain you the CSS box model in my next video. So, and the third method using which you can style us is you can have a CSS file. So styles dot CSS, as simple as that, and you can give any style. For example, let's just give our li or list for unordered list or unordered list li item, list style, list style none. Okay, and let's save it. And to use it in our markup, we have to link CSS. So this will be our tag we will use here. This will have link relation style sheet and href, as you can see here, style.css. So this was auto completed by my IDE, but basically this is what we have. So this is our relation style sheet and this is our href styles. So as you can see here, nothing changed. So styles.css, because our file name is styles.css. So now you can see our ul list style none is applied, and we do not have those dots over here that we had previously. Okay, so as of now, thank you for watching this video, and we will start with CSS in our next video.